So in today's video, looking at doing coping on a pool.
Hey,
Hey, good morning, good morning.
how you doing?
All right, how are you guys?
Good.
Here we go.
I would say the corners.
So I don't know anything about coping, but apparently it comes in this styrofoam. You stick it. And I don't know, these guys are teaching me something today. I've never seen this done.
Okay. ¿Dónde empiezo? Ya me dejaron todo. ¿No? ¿Sí, listo?
Bueno, ahí estaba en la bolsa, digo, en la mochila.
Tranquilo.
¿Querías otra, verdad? Sí, cerró bien ahí, a veces no cierra. Abajo, por abajo.
Oh, what do they take all that water out? Now what do they use to take the water out?
Killer mustache. Classic stash. Leo, what is this? What is this for? This border. What's that for?
Oh, that's just the stripe to end the concrete coping. It's going to be right here.
Okay.
So that way you don't have any chip out.
Okay, no chips.
Because if you use this one, the edge of the concrete is not straight, it's not even, it's not square, it's not.
Gotcha.
It's something very square.
Yeah.
To where the concrete sit and ends there.
Okay.
Top of here.
Gotcha.
We need to go look over it. And then there'll be another one coming, or, different ones.
Okay.
Okay.
It vibrates the.
If you did that wall at the
So there you have it. Pool coping in, concrete, joints in. They need to come back and cut them after the concrete cures. Like the way it looks. I wish we would have probably done our yard after the fact and brought the yard up a little bit. Always can be changed later, but it's nice and clean. I think I can at least weed eat without grass and debris going in here. Right now, obviously need to clean the pool, get her filled back up and get it cleaned. I'm gonna let this go ahead and get cured. They cleaned up the inside on the walls pretty well.